For this house in North Baldwin, it's for sale for $429,000. The taxes are $9,919 per year. And what we have to do is we have to go through the mortgage process to purchase this house. So letter A, it says calculate the down payment. Here we found a bank that's willing to give us money for this house, and we're going to pay the bank back. And it says the bank requires a 15% down payment for a 30-year mortgage at 5.25% interest. So to figure out this down payment, we need to figure out what 15% of the price of the house is. In this case, $429,000. So on your calculator, we're going to go 15%, 0.15, of means times, and then $429,000. So here the down payment for this house is going to be $64,350. So that's how much we need to have saved up to even start this mortgage process. But now letter B, how much money are you mortgaging? What we're going to do is we're going to take the price of the house, which is $429,000. We're giving the bank the $64,350, which means how much money we're mortgaging, how much money we're borrowing is going to be this difference. $364,650. So that's how much money we're mortgaging. That's how much money we are borrowing from this bank in order to get our house. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this value. We're going to use this $364,650. We're going to plug that into our mortgage formula. So here's the mortgage formula. How much money we're borrowing is the $364,650. R is the interest rate as a decimal. This problem said we need to pay 5.25% interest. So we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So here our R value is 0.0525. And the Y, the years of the mortgage, traditionally for houses, they give you a 30-year mortgage. So we're going to take those three values, plug them into the mortgage formula to figure out the monthly payment. So here the monthly payment, because you pay your mortgage per month, the monthly payment is equal to M, which is that $364,650, parentheses 1 plus R over 12, 1 plus 0.0525 over 12, raised to the 12 times Y power, so 12 times 30th power, times another R over 12, so times 0.0525 over 12, all over 1 plus R over 12, so 1 plus 0.0525 over 12, raised to the 12 times Y power, 12 times 30th power, take away 1. So take a minute, enter this expression into your calculator, and figure out what the monthly payment for this mortgage is going to be. Here the monthly payment for this house, $2,013.61. So that's how much you're paying per month for this house. Next, we're going to calculate how much in interest you're paying. So we're going to take this $2,013.61. This is per month. We're going to multiply that by 12 because there's 12 months per year, which means every year of your mortgage, you're paying $24,163.32. So that's how much per year your mortgage is. but mortgages run for 30 years. So now we're going to take that $24,163.32 and we're going to multiply it by 30 for the 30 years of the mortgage. So that means over the 30 years, you're paying the bank $724,899.60. So that's how much you are paying over the 30 years. Now, to calculate how much interest you're paying, what you're going to do is you're going to take that value and you're going to subtract how much you're mortgaging. You're going to subtract the $364,650. So that difference is going to be the interest that you pay over the 30 years. So here in interest, you're going to be paying $360,249.60. So this is how much in interest you're paying over the 30 years. So you take your monthly payment, multiply it by 12 and then by 30, and then subtract your M value, how much you're mortgaging. Finally, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out how much your total final payment is going to be to the bank, including your taxes. This particular house, they tell you that the taxes per year are $9,919. Taxes are always given to you per year, but what we're going to do, since we pay our mortgage monthly, is we're going to divide that by 12 to see how much per monthly payment your taxes are. So here, per month, your taxes are $826.58. So we're going to take your taxes per month, your $826.58, those are your taxes. We're going to add the monthly mortgage amount, so we're going to add the $2,013.61. So this is the mortgage, which means every month your payment to the bank is going to be $2,840.19. So that's how much you have to pay the bank back every month for this mortgage. So our next problem, we have a house in Massapequa. It's for sale for $599,999, and the taxes are $14,000 per year. And we want to go through the entire mortgage process for this house. So we found a bank, and the bank is requiring a 30% down payment, 30-year mortgage, and the question says you're paying 4.25% interest. And in letter A, we need to try to figure out what the down payment is going to be. 30% down, so we're going to go 30% of the price of the house, of the $599,999. So on your calculator, multiply 0.30 for 30% of $599,999, and this is going to calculate how much our down payment is going to be. So here the down payment for letter A is $179,999.70. You always go to two decimal places, and this is our down payment for the house. Letter B is asking us how much money we're mortgaging. Well, we're going to take, for letter B, the price of the house. So we're going to take the $599,999. And we're going to subtract the down payment, which is the $179,999.70. So how much money we're mortgaging, how much money we're actually borrowing from the bank, is going to be this difference. So here we're mortgaging $419,999.30. So to buy this almost $600,000 house, we need to have a little under $180,000 for a down payment, and this is how much money we're actually borrowing for the bank. This is how much money we're going to be plugging into our mortgage formula for letter M. So we have our M, $419,999.30. The question said the interest rate here that we're paying is 4.25% interest. So we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So here our R is 0.0425. And again, for houses, normally it is a 30-year mortgage. So we're going to plug those three values into our mortgage formula. So here we have letter M, so that's the 419,999.30. Parentheses 1 plus R over 12. Well, here the interest rate was 0.0425 over 12. Close parentheses, raised to the 12 times Y, 12 times 30th power, times another R over 12, so 0.0425 over 12. All over again the parentheses, 1 plus R, 0.0425 over 12. Close parentheses, raised to the 12y, 12 times 30th power. Take away the number 1. So those are the values we're going to be plugging into our mortgage formula. And take a minute, enter those values into your mortgage formula to figure out your monthly mortgage payment. So here you're going to be paying $2,066.14. That's before taxes. Now to figure out how much in interest you're going to be paying, you're going to be taking the payment, the $2,066.14. You multiply it by 12 because there's 12 months per year. And then you're going to multiply that by 30 since you're for the 30 years of the mortgage. So this is going to give you your total that you're paying to the bank. So the total you're paying to the bank. You're borrowing that $419,999.30, but over the 30 years, you're going to be paying the bank back $743,810.40. So that's how much you're paying the bank back. You take your monthly payment times 12 and then multiply that by 30. But that's not how much in interest you're paying. You're going to take that $743,000 number and you're going to subtract the mortgage amount. You're going to subtract, in this case, the $419,999.30, because that's how much you borrowed. So that means in interest, you're paying the bank back over the 30 years $323,811.10. So that's how much in interest you're paying the bank back. You do get a little bit of that back every year when you pay your taxes, because interest on mortgages is tax deductible, but nonetheless, you need to have that money every month, your interest money every month, in order to be able to afford your mortgage. Finally, what we're going to do now is figure out how much your total monthly payment is going to be. And the total monthly payment, you have to include the taxes for the house. So here, this problem told you that the taxes for this Massapequa house every year, the taxes were $14,000 a year. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that $14,000, and that's per year. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide that by 12, because you break it up into your monthly mortgage payments. So your taxes per month are going to turn out to be that quotient. So here your taxes per month for this house are going to be $1,166.67. So that's how much your taxes are every month. But then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take your monthly taxes. You're going to have to take that $1,166.67, and you're going to add that to your monthly payment, your $2,066.14, and that's going to tell you what your payment is going to be every month to the bank. So in this case, your monthly payment to the bank is $3,232.81. So that's going to be your monthly payment, including taxes.